Alright, so I just got these two 2021, I guess 4-ton American Standard Silver Series heat pumps, starting up and running in heat mode. They are both pretty much the same. That's just some guy with his trash can. Sorry, it's loud. Lion scroll. There's a reversing valve. These things will sadly not be defrosting since it is not cold enough for them to stay on long enough to freeze up enough to defrost. They are cold enough to freeze up, as you can see right here, but they are not cold enough. But it is not cold enough for them to actually stay on to fully freeze up to defrost. This one's the same. 2021. Oh wait, there is actually a difference. This one's this one's slightly smaller, 3.5 ton. That one's doing well. There's a reversing valve. So yeah, there it is. And so nearly 8. So yeah. 2 American Standard heat pumps starting up and running. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.